Hey, what's going on, dude?
Hello.
Okay. Hey, I need some help here.
Yo! Yeah, that's how we do. Yeah, that's it.
Sorry. Let's go. Let's go.
But yeah, man.
Come on!
I'll kill you.
You're really making my skin crawl. So kill me! Are you happy now? Wow! What? Calm down! Not bad. Fantastic, I'm home.
Yeah.
Get out the fucking way.
Oh, Dad, please! No.
Shut the fuck up with that shit. Sorry about that. Oh, man, do I suck at flying. Hey!
And his name is John C.
Oh, shit.
Come on! Pendejo!
Hi. God. What? Come on, then. Look at that. Let's go.
fucking way. I'm sorry about that. Bye-bye. Oh man, I love this crap. Look out! Shit!
Stop right there, or I'll take you down!
Hey, hey! Sorry.
I want to see those hands up high! On your knees, too! Now! Move and I will blow your...
Are we having fun now? Stop!
In all my days...
Oh my God! Get out the fucking way. Jimmy?
Fuck you!
What?
Don't be a psycho, please!
Okay.
You're an asshole.
You fucking kidding me? You suck. This is how the fuck it is. Get flum, get flum, get flum. Outlaw bikers should sell man, not smoke it. Oh man!
You already did!
I'ma shove this up your ass!
Shit! Who's got the biggest dick? Come on!
Now maybe you'll shut up and listen. Thank you. That's just what I needed.
What?
You got lucky, buddy. That's cool. Woo! Beep.
Oh no!
Out of the way! Look out! This was a nice car. What the fuck?
Hey, what's going on?
Are we having fun now?
Dad, no!
Motherfucker!
Pull over, please. I'm a great guy.
What?
Come on, people, please. Goddamn car broke down. Can you give me a ride? I'll pay you. I got money.
Sure, I can take you.
Where the hell are you going? I'm unbelievably late for a flight. I need to get to the airport fast. Piece of crap rental car of all the days.
Let's go.
The average American spends 15% of their income on renting a car and almost 2 hours a day in transit. You'd expect these auto manufacturers could deliver a reliable product. Sorry, I'm a numbers guy, but outward facing. I can work a spreadsheet, but I can also work a room. I run the models, I date the models, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'll have to take your word for it. So what flight are you trying to catch?
Liberty City. I'm an equity analyst in Algonquin. TechCom.
Shit!
The big leagues, man. The pressure, it can choke you. But I live for that shit. Name's Tim, with 2 M's. Because, I am hungry 24/7. What's your name, buddy?
Michael, with 1 L.
Holy crap!
You got
what was
lucky,
that?
buddy.
Pay attention to the road! To the road, buddy!
What was that?
Holy crap! What was that? Pay attention to the road, buddy! Christ!
Oh, sweet.
Pay attention to the road, buddy!
Ah, shut up!
Are you trying
sorry.
to kill us? I think I can still make it. Buddy, I owe you big time. Okay, here's my tip. Buy shares in Tinkle now. You won't regret it.
You know what? You're one nasty fuck. Ooh, too close!
What's up, bro?
Hey. Ah, shit! James!
Mother!
Your generation really fucked this country up.
You maniac!
You happy now? Nice driving. Hey, what's up? Oh, man. This is gonna be so much fun. Come on! Let's in this shit! Excuse me! Goodbye. Forgive me. Peace, lady. Fantastic. Shit! How you doing, beautiful?
me crazy.
Yeah.
OMG!
You are a girl of rare talent. I hope you didn't shit yourself.
You clearly have no penis.
You piece of shit!
What the shit?
Yeah! Yeah! Fucking yeah!
Call an ambulance! Call an ambulance!
What the hell?
But not for me!
I just hope you have proper hatred for yourself. Lucky bastard! Oh, man. Okay. Hey, you hit me! I'm sorry about that. Not bad for a fat old fucker.
Is someone missing an asshole? Because I just found one.
No! No!
Ha ha!